Another tab you will find on your Snowflake web account is this Canvas tab. This canvas is similar to your canvas that you find on your ClearTouch board. The canvases that you create and share here are completely separate from your desktop version and the canvas on your ClearTouch board. The online Canvas version was built for online collaboration. You can join a Google Meet, you can see student lists, you can get notifications from your students. It's built for online collaboration. If you create a Canvas on here, you can download it and you can upload it to your other Canvas on your Snowflake app, on your Snowflake desktop app, or on your board. But some of the things that you create here, like your lesson activities, will not transfer over. So it's best to just use this Canvas specifically for online collaboration. I would not create a Canvas here and try to download it and upload it to your desktop version. It is possible, but there are a lot of things on here that you will not have on your desktop version. I would recommend using the NuiTech Snowflake desktop application for creating Canvas presentations. This application looks just like the Clever application. It looks like a tiny snowflake. If you do not have the application on your desktop, please let me know. Just like in the web application, you can see different lesson activities. You can see YouTube videos. There are a lot of different things you can do in your desktop application. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Canvas. Canvas is very similar to the SmartNotes software that you might be familiar with when you used your smart board. Canvas is Snowflake's version of SmartNotes. Canvas has many great features. You can think of Canvas as a Google Slides or a PowerPoint presentation that you can write on and have that information that you write stay on the slide. With Google Slides, you're not able to do that. If you write on a Google Slides, it will stay on the screen. But if you write on Canvas, it will stay on that slide and you can move on to the next slide to write on that as well. You can add more slides by pressing this plus button at the top and see how this turns to 2 of 2. And press it again and that will say 3 of 3. You can look at the slides by pressing the middle button and you can see your 3 pages. You can go back and forth by clicking on the different pages. Within your Canvas, you can add many different things. You can add a background of a graph. You can put in text where you write notes, you put in headers, you can connect your document camera, you can add fun little stamps, a bunch of different math tools like rulers and calculators, different shapes. You can also hide your assignments if you want to slowly reveal the assignments for the students to see. You can also add in a web browser. If you're working on a different website, you can add this here so that you don't have to go back to your computer to do anything. You can do it straight from your board. You can also add in different things you have saved on your computer. That's where your media browse is. You can directly add in YouTube videos, and these videos are without ads. So a lot of you might play YouTube videos directly on your computer, and those have ads that show up. But if you put a video within your Canvas page, ads will not show up. You can also put in lesson activities. You have search previously. So your students can come to the board and they can drag and drop and they can do those activities that make your lessons a little bit more interactive. Here is a Canvas presentation that I created. I'm going to show you how to save this easily and open it up for a later day. So you can see here, this it's a video with a little title, and I have different pages up here. So if I was done working on this and I wanted to save it, I'm going to go right here, and you're going to click Save As, and it goes to your desktop files. So I'm just going to save it. You're going to save it where you would normally save your lessons. I'm going to save it. Make sure you title it something, otherwise it will just save it as .wbp. So I'm going to title it Test 2, and I'm going to save it. So now I'm going to close this application. And if I open Canvas back up, it's no longer here. So make sure you save it. It does not save automatically. I don't want you to do a lot of work on a presentation and not save it and then lose it. So now when I open that back up, I'm going to go right back here and I'm going to say open, and then go back to where you save it. And I saved it as Test 2. And so here it is. So make sure you save your Canvas.